Going to start our chapter, that is particle chapter number 6. We will talk about the states of matter. What is matter? Anything which is present surrounding us is the matter. Okay, there are the three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. These are the some examples of solid, liquid and gases, like that of brick, ice, vinegar and oxygen is the example of the gas. Okay. Afterwards, we will talk about the changing in the state, like that water exists in the form of liquid, in the form of solid as ice, and when we provide heat to it, it will convert it into the gas, that is steam. So this is the conversion from one state to another state. Afterwards, we will talk about the particle model, in which we will talk about the arrangement of the particles of these three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. In solid, the particles are tightly packed with each other. In liquid, there is a certain air spaces between them, and in gases, the molecules are freely moving from one place to another. Another thing is the diffusion. Diffusion is the mixing of two gases or two liquids, as there is spaces between the molecules. So one form of liquid is diffused into another, or gas will diffuse into another gas. Now we will talk about the expansion and contraction. Expansion normally takes place into the solid substances. As the heat is provided, it will expand. As the heat is provided, it will expand. After the it will cool down, it will be contracted, come back to its shape, original size and shape. Now, another last topic of this chapter is the pressure in gases. That gas produce a certain types of pressure on the substance in which it is filled, like that when we fill the balloon, it will exert the pressure on the wall of the balloon, and balloon will be inflated. The balloon will be filled with that of the gas, air, and it will be seen inflated. 80. For understanding this chapter, firstly you should know that what is matter. Now we will talk about the definition of matter, that what is the definition of matter. Matter is anything which have space, which have mass and occupy space is called as matter. Means anything which have mass and occupy space is called as matter. Now we will talk about the three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. What is the difference between them? Solid have a specific shape and volume. Liquid do not have a specific shape but have a specific volume. Gas do not have a specific shape and a specific volume. Means if we talk about the liquid, we will take a one glass of water, it will remain the same in the jug because it have a specific volume, but in the gas they do not have a specific shape and do not have a specific volume. Okay. Now afterwards we will talk about the specific characteristics of the solids, that it have a fixed volume and shape. It do not compress because it do not have air spaces between them. Does not flow easily because it do not have any type of air spaces between them. The molecules are tightly packed with each other. That's why it have a specific shape. Now we will talk about the properties of the liquid. What are the properties of the liquid? That do not keep their shape. They take the shape of the container. It will convert it to the gas when it will be heated, and it will convert it to the solid when it will be cooled down. Particles are loosely packed with each other, means they have air spaces between them. Now we will talk about the gas, that it will be compressed because it have the air spaces between them, so it will be easily compressed. Its density is low, it have less density, it will be mixed with the other gases, and it do not have a specific shape and specific volume. It can now we will talk about the states of matter, that it will be converted from solid to liquid, liquid to gas by different processes. If example is the water, which can change their state. Assalamualaikum students. Today I am going to explain you the particle model of solid, liquid and gas on page number 81. You should know that all the substances which is present over here are made up of smallest unit, that is called as atom. Okay, there are certain points for the particle model. As the scientist has discovered this particle model, all matter is made up of extremely tiny particles called as atom. All pure substances are made up of their own kind of particles, means same kind of particles joined together to form a molecule. All particles are moving, right? Particles are at higher temperature move faster than that at the lower temperature, means that particle movement is increased when the temperature will be increased. Particles are attached to each other that they form a molecule. Okay, these are the main postulates of the particle model. Now we will talk about the arrangement of the particles, that how the particles are arranged in the solid, liquid and gas. In solid they are tightly packed with each other, they just vibrate on their own position. In liquid they can move, they can flow but not easily, uh, they can flow little bit, but in gases the particles are too far from each other, so they can vibrate, they can move from one place to another very easily. Okay, these are the arrangement of the particle. Now we will talk about the evidence of the particle model, that there is certain particles present. For that we should understand firstly that you know that you will fill the balloon with that of air. You will place that balloon in the room, and after 2 to 3 days you will see that it will be deflated. How they will be deflated? It have a tiny holes in the walls of the balloon, from where the air will be escaped out. Okay, air will be escaped out, so the balloon will be deflated. Second example is of the, you will take a ink drop of ink and place in a glass of water. It will be diffused in the glass of water, that two liquid will be diffused into each other. The process of the diffusion of two liquids is called as diffusion. Diffusion takes place in the liquid and gases because they have a spaces between their particles. Now this is the work you have to do. These are the four questions. Explain why the balloon slowly deflate. Explain why the balloon deflate quickly when the pin will be exerted. What is diffusion? And secondly, suggest why diffusion does not